Hey guys, hope you're having a lovely day. I'm standing up because this video is gonna be super quick. I'm gonna be reviewing the That's So Sun Makeup On The Go Dark Hemp Instant Spray Tanning Makeup. Tanning makeup, not self-tan. That's what they say. Face and body perfect tan with one application, super fine spray, no need to rub in, dries instantly. No self-tan spots, no self-tan orange color, no self-tan smell, hemp water infused. Okay, so they say how to use this is or spray and dry with a hair dryer or spray on a mitt. This is what I'm gonna do, and then massage in. So I don't want to go full on. As you see, I'm wearing a makeup and so on, and I want this video to be as quick as possible. So they say that this multi-position bronze gold moisturizing and anti-aging tanning spray, the lotion has a dual effect, instant tanning thanks to natural bronze pigments, can be easily removed with soap and water. So this is more like a makeup rather than a self-tan. As long as I understand, am I understanding correctly? Lasting tan that develops between 2-3 hours after application. Okay, sounds like pretty easy to use. So my idea is, that's why I'm wearing a cycling shorts, to do on the legs. So spray one leg and then we can see how dark it is because I'll leave one leg empty so we can see the results straight away. So let's do that. It's brand new, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. So I'm gonna apply on this leg. Should I use on this maybe? Just in case. Oh! Did you guys see this? It smells amazing! My god, you guys! You guys, this smells so good! You guys, I don't even need to wait 2 or 3 hours because look at my legs. You can see the result instantly. Do you guys see this? So it says that it develops in 2-3 hours, but I mean, the result is in here. You don't need to wait 2 or 3 hours. Like, wow. Okay. Love it. It smells very, very nice. It doesn't have this, you know, fake tan smell like it normally does. So highly recommend for that reason. Because you guys, like, wow, instant result. So for me, it's like more of a, it says tanning makeup. It doesn't say it's a self-tan, it says tanning makeup, and to me it looks like a tanning makeup, like, you know, foundation for your body. And it says it washes off with the soap and water, which I think perfect if you like me, who doesn't really like self-tan. Like, I don't mind it, but I really don't like smell and so on. This doesn't have smell, which is amazing. Smells very, very, very nice. It worked, right? Look at this, like, look at this, like. Hey, yeah, that's it for this super quick little review. I hope you guys found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao for now!